Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload backup file in Hostinger. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So at first we'll upload our files backup, and then we'll upload our database. First, log into your Hostinger H panel. Here go to Website from the left side menu. And here click on Dashboard next to your web hosting plan. From the top, select your domain name. We'll begin by uploading the files backup. Click on File Manager, then open the public_HTML folder. From the top, click on Upload, then choose File, select your zip backup file, and click on Open. The upload will start right away. Once your backup file is uploaded, right-click on it and select Extract. Create a new folder for the extracted files, and then click on Extract. Now open that folder and you'll see all your WordPress files. We need to move these files to the main folder, which is public_HTML. Press Ctrl+A to select all the files, right-click, and choose Move File. You'll notice the current location says public_HTML/website. Double-click on the folder icon to move up one level until the path shows public_HTML. Then click Move. Now all your website files are in the main folder. Next, we'll upload the database. Go back to your Hostinger dashboard, click on Databases from the left menu, and select Management. To create a new database, enter your database name, username, and password, then click Create. Once it's created, click on Enter PHP MyAdmin. From the top, select Import, click on Choose File, then select your .sql database file from your computer, and click Open. Scroll down and click Import. Your database will now be uploaded successfully. Now we'll connect the files with the database. Go back to File Manager and locate the wp-config.php file. Right-click on it and select Edit. Inside this file, you'll see the database configuration lines. Return to the database management page, copy your database name, then paste it into here. Then do same for the username and password, and paste each value into the respective lines in wp-config.php. Once done, click Save at the top. Your website files are now successfully connected with the database. Finally, go back to the Hostinger Overview section, select your domain, and your website will start working, and that's it. So that is how you can upload backup file in Hostinger. So that's all for this video. Thanks.